So to begin, you have to cut your cable to reveal the wires inside. Yeah, so as you can see, when you're done cutting the cable, you also have to cut the unwanted parts. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm getting it done. Yeah, so when you're done cutting the unwanted parts, you would have to arrange the wires according to the color code. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm arranging it according to the color code. So after you're done arranging it according to the color code, then you level it by cutting it. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Yeah, so when you're done, then you put it into your RJ45. That's what I'm doing right now. So when I was done putting it into the RJ45, and in the end, then I was able to share the file successfully. Thanks for watching.